and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my microwaves. So microwaves is just a technique that you do with hair extensions, how you apply them with silicone beads, hair extensions, and a thread. There are multiple different kind of techniques, but this is the one that I chose to do on her hair. Every technique does not go on everyone's hair. So for my client here, she is an Indian woman, and you guys can see her hair is wavy. Her hair has been dyed black. Um, and right here, I'm just blow drying her hair to get some of the wave out, most of the wave out, just so you can have control over the hair while applying the beads and the hair extensions. Sorry guys, I am going to be like being in the way a little bit sometimes. So I'm just using a paddle brush and my Paul Mitchell blow dryer. I normally don't, when I blow dry hair, you guys have seen me do this before, especially on Instagram. I use a round brush, but this is for something different, so the paddle brush was the best choice in this case. She is a little bit has finer hair around the hairline, so you have to look at the hairline and where she's going to be parting her hair at to really understand how to apply these extensions. Again, there are numerous of ways, and this is just the one that I chose for her. And this is where you won't see, when she lifts her hair up and put it in a ponytail, you will not be able to see any of the beads. So here I am just parting her hair off in a horseshoe parting. The parting sometimes can take a while because you have to get that parting down pat. And for her hair, she had a lot of shorter pieces up in there that could like get in the way. So here I am just applying the first bead with my pliers. These are the cheapest pliers. I really don't like these pliers. Like, they're not my first choice, but listen, I know how to get the job done. And I am using my beater to help me section off the partings. This is important as well because this is what the extensions are going to sit on, is the beads and the hair. So you most definitely have to take your time and understand how to section this hair off. The first weft to me on any hair extension technique and service is like the most important because it's the first one. So once you do this first one, you are understanding like your client's hair, if I'm making sense, and like how their hair is acting, how the bead is sliding up, and all that kind of stuff. So this first weft that's gonna be applied is super important with the beads and everything. It's just so important to lay it right, and then after this you get your rhythm also. So you guys are gonna see me continuously lift the beads up to see if they are irritating my client or anything like that. If they're too tight, she thought that they were going to be really tight and uncomfortable. She's never had hair extensions before, so this experience was most definitely different. She was looking in the mirror a lot, which is totally fine because I know that's how you are when you're first getting anything done. So here I have applied the extensions, and now I am just I laid the extensions down how I wanted them, and now I am just sewing on to the beads. Now right in the front, when you're first applying them, you want to really make sure that the beginning of this weft is sewn down pretty good. Not really tight, but that is sewn down really good, because a lot of times that is the first thing that starts to lift, is the what am I saying? The first piece, like the first um where the hair extension starts. That is where it can starts to loosen up first if it is not sewn down properly or securely, not tight, but secure. So you guys can see this her. This is my raw um, Indian wavy. Hair is beautiful, man. The hair is just amazing. The hair is amazing. The hair is literally amazing. So I lift the hair up as I'm going through it, making sure it's okay. Um, she's asking me questions throughout this process, which to me is great. I feel like I make my clients really really comfortable to where they can ask questions. I know some people just go through the hair and think to themselves like, I know what I'm doing, like I'm just gonna keep doing this, and it's probably true. But when people are first getting extensions, first of all, this is an investment, and I need my clients to understand what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, and also how to take care of their hair. She also bought products for me, and she bought the Matrix um, lens, a shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in for hair extensions that they did in collaboration with Bellamy. I like that, so that is what I am. That's what I sell to my clients. So look at that. Look at that blend already. Dark hair is the best though for blending, so I don't want to overdo it. But dark hair a lot of time blends really good, but it's the hair itself though here. Like Indian hair to me is like one of the best hair. My Indian wavy is my number one seller. Um, it's just so pretty. Like what, I don't know what else to say. So you guys, I'm just really taking my time here. Um, I don't rush. This takes me all together with including the color. It takes me about 3 hours. Um, because the color has to process, and I'm really taking my time here. This is not like a sew-in to me where you can just sew on those braids and just go. This is a little bit different because this is in between um, people's hair, so the blend has to look nice. So I'm almost ending this first weft. She absolutely like loved it, and here I have applied all of them, and I am going to trim the bottom. I really didn't have to trim the top. She really didn't want the top trim. And I understand that some clients, they really want to enjoy this length, and then once they get their move up done or I do a reinstall, then they're like, okay, apply layers now because they have gotten used to having longer hair, fuller hair. She got this for a little bit of length and fullness. This was about, I'll say, 4 to 5 inches longer than her hair. You cannot see her hair at all. You can't see her hair at all. You can't tell. So here I am just flat ironing the front, um, just around the hairline, really quickly, just to smooth it out. Certain textures of hair, because it's wavy, the hairline is really like, to me it's pretty, but I just wanted it to blend a little bit better until she washes it at home herself and wears it in its natural state. Do you guys see this blend, baby? The blend, the blend is just amazing to me. Look at that blend. When she washes this and wears it in its natural state, because she really just got it curled just to, of course, you're getting extensions, so you know, I'm like that too. Give me the whole 9, and then once I have to do it at home myself, I'll be doing it how I want. Cause she normally wears her hair, she washes it and wears it in its natural state, and this hair blends perfectly with her natural hair texture. So she's happy with that. Here I'm just putting some curls in it, and then here curls like it curls fantastic. Okay, look at that. And I'm really not curling. I'm curling it, but I'm not. It's just quick curls. It's nothing. I'm not being too precise with them at all. Um, the hair is just, man, y'all can't tell me nothing about my hair, okay? This hair is amazing. It took me a while to find this hair. Um, my vendor is amazing. Ugh. So you guys, I am just finishing up the curls. Um, you guys are going to continue to watch the end of this. Like I said, my client was very happy. She loved the hair. She loved it was really soft. After I had put the color on there, it was really soft. She could really see how the hair would look in its natural state. Oh, it was it was great. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, if you guys like videos like this, please leave a comment down below. This is me combing the hair out. I'll see you guys in the next video.